Hello everyone, we are back with Glenville Reviews here, and I'm at my rental property. We're going to put in a new fan in here like I told you. It's disgusting, as you can see it's never been cleaned. This box has a big crush in it, which doesn't look cool, but hopefully it's fine. That's the kind that we got. It's called the Harbor Breeze Centreville is what it's called. So we're going to crack that open, doing the unboxing. Huh?
LED lights?
What?
LED lights?
This has LED lights? I don't know, we're going to open it and see what's up. I spent what I spent with what? So it's a 50 what? How many inch? 52 inch, right? 56 inch blade. So it's pretty big. How big is it? Oh, how big is this one that we got?
This one says 52 inch because that's what got the
marker. Okay.
Yeah, 52
Yeah, it says 52 inch LED. So we got a 52 inch LED. She's gonna unbox that. I'm gonna show you how disgusting that is. So we're changing that one out, okay? So let's get to it. All right, so she unboxed that. That's kind of what she's dealing with right there. So you guys can see that. Have the expectation of what you can get out of that box. And then I'm gonna be hitting this up here. So that's pretty much everything. You got the glass, you got the tops right there, bulbs. She pulled out everything, those are reversible. So then now we're gonna go up to this part, start hitting this up and getting this install going. Alright, that's on. Next, I'm guessing is this. You did both those doorknobs earlier? Huh? I said you finished with the doorknobs. Alright, so that's pretty much what the light fixture looks like, everybody, so you guys can see. It's really nice, feels really windy, should help with my tenants with the air conditioning and not having to keep it on for so long. And it's nice and quiet, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think, right? Looks pretty good. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I'd love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help with the community. Alright, everybody enjoy, be safe, I'm out, bye bye.